Ready naman po sila.
New Nor Crispy Breading Mix. Para sa fried chicken na crispy for up to 3 hours. Mag-Vicks Inhaler with mentholated Vicks Vapors for fast relief mula sa baradong ilong. Anytime, anywhere.
Wala na. Ate Tay, galingan mo ha. Inaban mo si Diwata.